I'm Jay from Ohio Power Tool. We're here with Alex.
Nice.
Milwaukee in the WWETT Show.
Absolutely.
You got a new product. You want to tell us about it?
Absolutely. Appreciate you guys coming down here. This is the new Milwaukee M18 Drum Machine for 3/8 to half-inch cables. We're super excited to release this drum machine. This is going to start shipping actually 4/4, so this is the first time we're actually announcing the product at the WWETT Show. So this drum machine, our claim to fame here, it's more power than its corded competition.
Okay.
So there's a lot of competition out there that in the drum machine market, this is the most powerful drum machine for 1.5 to 4-inch cables.
Okay.
What a phenomenal machine. Also, bringing in the M18 4.0 battery that's kitted with the tool. You're going to be able to do multiple jobs on one fully charged pack. So you're going to be able to clear a kitchen clog job, a bathtub clog, and a floor drain clog, all on one fully charged M18 pack. Awesome. Another claim to fame we have, cleanest, easiest transportation. Milwaukee, we're big on fully enclosed drums. That's the best for mess containment. But if we look at the back side of the tool here, we'll actually see that we've got a drum plug. This allows those service plumbers, when the job's done and you got residual liquid built up in that machine, they can go ahead and drain that residual liquid or hook up a garden hose there and clear off their cables. Nice. Another claim that we have here, we've got our electronic foot pedal, which is similar on a lot of our drain cleaning equipment. We've got the onboard storage here. They'll wrap the cord up and hook it in when the job's done. We've got a pivoting handle for transportation, on the truck for storage, open for on the job.
Great. Yeah. So it looks like a very kind of traditional.
Oh yeah.
I just started playing with it. It's like super intuitive.
Absolutely.
You know exactly what to do with it.
Simple on and off the job.
So is this going to be included or optional?
So this cable drive is sold separately. So out-of-box solution, what it comes with, it comes with a tool, battery charger, 3/8 by 75 foot in cable, and the head attachment kit. This cable drive is one of the accessory SKUs. It's actually a separate SKU. This is something similar we have with some of our other drum machines, which is the switch pack. This is sold separately, and it's a super easy process. Literally, you'll turn out, screw that mounting plate right onto the machine itself, literally push this back in there, twist to lock, and you're good to go.
Sweet.
Simple as that.
That's pretty exciting.
Simple as that. So simple, intuitive design.
We gotta hurry.
Awesome. So available now for pre-sale at Ohio Power Tool, shipping in April.
There you go.
Thank you very much.